How to properly do a glute bridge on an exercise ball. Upper body on ball, arms crossed. This variation of the glute bridge challenges your balance and targets your glutes, hamstrings, and core. Here's how to do it properly. 1. Start position. Sit on the floor with an exercise ball behind you. Slowly lean back so that your upper back and shoulders are resting on the ball. Cross your arms over your chest. Your feet should be flat on the floor, hip width apart, with knees bent at about 90 degrees. 2. Body alignment. Walk your feet forward slightly so your upper back stays supported on the ball. Keep your head and neck in a neutral position, looking forward, not up or back. Engage your core to stabilize. 3. Lift your hips, press through your heels and lift your hips toward the ceiling. Aim to create a straight line from your shoulders to your knees at the top of the movement. Squeeze your glutes hard and avoid arching your lower back. 4. Hold at the top. Pause briefly at the top of the eye. Bridge 1 to 2 seconds, maintaining tight glutes and a stable core. E. Lower with control. Slowly lower your hips back down until they're just above the floor. Don't rest. Keep tension in your glutes and hamstrings throughout the set. Key form tips. Keep your knees aligned over your ankles. Avoid letting your hips sag or overextending your back. Keep your chin slightly tucked to avoid neck strain. Breathe steadily. Inhale on the way down. Exhale as you lift. This bodyweight version is excellent for building glute strength and stability. Do 3 sets of 10 reps. Once you're confident with your form, you can increase difficulty by adding resistance, e.g., placing a dumbbell on your hips. Please check my next video.